Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this baby blanket. The blanket is 33 inches wide and 30 inches long. I used 4 blue and 1 white balls of double knit yarn. The blanket can be made in any size, just remember to make a foundation chain with an even number of chains. If you prefer the written PDF version of this pattern, please visit my Etsy store, link in the description box. So as I mentioned, you can make this blanket in any size you want. I started this blanket with a foundation chain of 120. If you want your blanket to be wider, make a longer foundation chain. Just remember an even number of chains. To make this video, I have decided to create a small practice swatch that has 14 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 14 will be enough. So I have my 14 chains, and now row number 1. We'll start row number 1 by making 2 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. So here's the second chain from the hook, and we will make 2 half double crochet in it. So 2 half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So this is your first half double crochet, and now make second half double crochet into the same chain. So this is your second half double crochet. Now skip next chain, skip next chain and make again 2 half double crochet into the next chain. So first half double crochet and second half double crochet into the same chain, and again skip next chain and make 2 half double crochet into the next chain, and continue until end of your row. So skip next chain, make 2 half double crochet into the next chain, skip next chain, make 2 half double crochet into the next chain, continue until end of this row. I will see you at the end of this row. Okay, our last 2 chains, make 2 half double crochet into the last chain, so 1, 2, now chain 1 and turn your work. So this is your row number 1. Let's start row number 2. So row number 2, skip the very first stitch, so this one, skip that stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. And now it's important to insert your hook into the stitch knot inside this hole created in the previous row. So insert your hook into the stitch and make 2 half double crochet. So 1, 2, skip next stitch and insert your hook into the next stitch and make 2 half double crochet. So basically this is how really work your blanket. Skip next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, skip next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, and you will make it in every row. So continue as many rows as you want your blanket to belong. Try to not forget about the last stitch, it can be easily missed. Here it is, your last stitch. So here, if you are unsure, you can use a stitch marker. If you put the stitch marker into every first stitch you made, you will know which one is the last stitch. So once again, skip first stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, skip next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Continue until you reach the length you want. I will see you when I finish my practice swatch. Okay, so I have finished my practice swatch. I think that's enough. And now we are starting our border. With the same color on your hook, chain 1 and start to make 1 single crochet all around. We are starting from the side, so make 1 single crochet per 1 row. If your blanket is curling, it means you need to make more single crochet than one per row. If your blanket is waving, it means you need to make single crochet less frequently. On the corners, make one single crochet, then chain one and one single crochet into the same stitch. And now make one single crochet into each stitch. So one single crochet into each stitch. Continue all around. I will see you when we finish round number 1. And when you finish round number 1, just slip stitch to the first stitch. Cut your yarn. You should now switch the color to white. Since my background is white, I decided to use red yarn so it doesn't blend with the background. I know red yarn doesn't match this blue color. I will only use it for the purpose of this video. So you should use white yarn. So make a knot with red yarn. Insert your hook into any stitch. Then put your knot on your hook. Pull through. Chain one and you are ready to start with a new color. So in this round number 2 we will make one single crochet into each stitch but in back loop. So here are the front loops and here are the back loops. We are going to insert our hook in the back loops only all around. So make one single crochet, start in the same stitch where you change your color and make one single crochet into each stitch in the back loops only. All the corners same as in the previous row. Make one single crochet, chain one and single crochet into the same stitch but in the back loop only, and then continue all around. At the end, slip stitch to the first stitch and cut your yarn. Round number 3 we are going to change our color again. So insert your hook into the back loop in any stitch in the back loop, put a knot, pull through, chain one, start with a single crochet into the back loop only and then make a double crochet in the front loop of the stitch from the row below. So where is it located? It's here. This one is the front loop of the stitch a row below. So you will skip this front loop because above it you already made your single crochet, and you will insert your hook here into the next front loop. Now you will make single crochet into the next stitch, so not this one under the front loop but to the next stitch, single crochet. So single crochet, then you will skip this front loop under the single crochet and you will make a double crochet into the next front loop. Yarn over and insert your hook into that front loop. Skip this stitch behind this front loop and now make one single crochet and continue all around. You will make all single crochet into the back loops and all double crochet into the front loops. Make one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet. So every second front loop you will make double crochet and every second back loop you will make single crochet. And when you reach 2 stitches before the corner, make just 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then on the corner make a single crochet, chain 1 single crochet in back loop only. Then again 2 single crochet and continue double crochet, single crochet. So once again, remember, if you make single crochet you will skip the front loop under this single crochet. If you make front loop you will skip the back loop behind that front loop. When you finish your round number 3, just slip stitch to the last stitch and change the color for the white again. Insert the crochet hook into any stitch located above the double crochet and make a single crochet. In each stitch located above the single crochet you will make a double crochet in the front loops. In each stitch located above the double crochet you will make a single crochet in the back loops only. So as you can see, next is the front loop. So I'm inserting my hook into the front loop and I'm making a double crochet. My next stitch is single crochet, so I'm inserting my hook in the back loop only. My next stitch is a double crochet in the front loop and single crochet in the back loop, and so on and so on. Continue until you reach the corner, and at the corner, so this is our last double crochet, and now make next stitch just a single crochet, and then next stitch single crochet, chain one, single crochet, as we always do on the corners. Then make next stitch is a single crochet, single crochet, double crochet in the front loop, and continue all around. And when finish round number 4, do not cut your yarn, chain 1 and continue with the white color. So if in the round number 5 we will work under both loops, we will make single crochet and chain 2 into each stitch all around, like this. So insert the hook under both loops, make single crochet, then chain 2 and next stitch, single crochet, chain 2 and next stitch. Continue all around, do it on the corner as well. And when finish, slip stitch to the first stitch, then cut your yarn, and that's your blanket is done. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.